diamonds, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking of
Thank you. Alright, there's some super foods. We have pineapple man over here, sir.
In the business.
No, but I mash up some pineapple. I have some pre-gym meal.
What you want in the superfood? You want this and the other one?
I want that. I want this. I know. Man, full of fruits. I want this. This Vital Recharge I take from out there is very, very, very good.
I'll take some.
No, boy, I take some. I'm gonna come out, boy, I take some. What else? Yeah, so this. And this. Show you what else. And we need some this right here. Moringa leaf powder. Shit is freaking awesome.
I need some of that too.
Yeah, so this is my virgin from long time. I'm in about 7th grade. Jermaine. See me? They dip on G.
Yeah, pay some pine, you know?
Yeah. I bet there's something there for go disappear, you see?
Yeah, man.
But yes, everybody welcome back to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe. A long time I post a video, you know. There are different things I deal with. So, you know, bigger and better things, you know. I like we're under stress or nothing. Thanks to God. We just move up the ladder. And you know, we kind of neglect YouTube, but so them things they go. So we are trying to get a gym workout in the today hour. Thursday?
Yeah.
So we have chest and tricep today. I know we have abs. So I'm bringing the guy to the gym with me. Kidding over this. Look at yo. Look at my fortunate man.
Amazing.
I'm full of chef. Yo, full of chef. Yara. So pineapple man. I want some pineapple.
And I'm making a smoothie with my least favorite fruits, but
you want pineapple?
I need for fiber.
You want pineapple?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Alright, come.
Nobody wants that.
Let me help. You love me?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get the body SS study.
Is this study got iron enough?
Yeah.
So yeah, see me in the flesh. You see me? So yo, I eat the food there and jump out on the gym and see what we can get from it. You know, like, comment, subscribe, and soon in a few. Cause we not say 2.
So them the way about this, sir. I mean now wait. Yeah, ever since you fix this, the shit just keep on moving, bro. So you didn't fix it, you make it worse. Bitch. You better put in my camera, man, and drop it.
So, alright, we finally reached the gym. Had a few mishaps on the road, you know, dumb people. Anyway, start off with some lateral raises using dumbbells. You know, warm up, of course. So now we really and truly in a heavy set. This will start with a new look. See me? Feel like it. It's digging, you know. Catch it at a lie. Father. Rich a lot, yeah. But anyway, that's gonna be the focus today, shoulders. I do some legs. Today's a light leg day. I might consider that I might save that for another video, but for right now, let's get a whole heap of shoulder work. I try expand my width, shoulder wise, and you know, back as well. So then I have 2 main focus: back, shoulders, and chest. You know, so yeah. right now we're gonna do some isolateral shoulder press using this machine, of course. So basically what we're aiming for is just time under tension, isn't it? But the more time under tension, the more blood flow, and basically the more stress you put your muscle under. If you just gonna need the weight and just move fast and try to push it, it's not gonna work out. You're not gonna see no growth, isn't it? It's like doing an incorrect bicep curl, pretty much. The bicep, let's think about it in a scientific way. Alright. So basically, if you're doing a bicep curl and you're doing it wrong, is your bicep still getting work? I don't know, I'll leave Einstein for that. Anyway, we could go. Alright, yo, that complete the workout. Did some cardio. You know, you can see a little sweat. You can zoom up. Alright, see? A little sweat. You know? A lot of sweat. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Now, I think this is about 72 days now since we post a video. There's a very, very, very specific reason for that. And, you know, we're just busy. I'm gonna bring on home and I'm gonna see. I'm pretty sure in the scene at the front of the video earlier. In the garage, when I see a trailer with a bunch of stuff on it, so I kind of got a little idea of what it is, and you know, so like, comment, subscribe. Make a jump back. Finally reach home. Let me say, I'm gonna run down of this entire trailer. Now I'm gonna full breakdown, you know, everything. But this is a pressure washing trailer, and we have a new business that we have going on now, and this is it. We have surfactant tank, we have a buffer tank, and around here we have something called SH hose reel, and yeah, we have a GF metering valve, we have a battery. So one of the big thing about this business that I realize is shit break every friggin' day. Like every time you go on a job site, shit's gonna happen. But that comes with the business as well. Let me try to turn this camera around so y'all can see my ugly face. Whoa. Alright, boom. So yeah, shit happen every day when you're basically on the job site. You know what I mean? You never know when something gonna break, you never know when something are gonna just explode, you never know when things are gonna go good, basically. You get me? But currently, this is what we are working with. That's why I never really dip on YouTube that much, because you know we kind of focus on this, we focus on what bringing in money, and you know sometimes you might tell yourself, you know, you can do both, you can do both at the same time. But sometimes if you take a break from one thing and focus on, you know, something else. Now this trailer, this entire setup, everything, every money spent was roughly, I want to say roughly between $8,000 to $10,000, if I'm not mistaken. It could be more, and it could be a little bit less than $10,000, but I'm pretty sure it's over 8,000. So yeah, this is the new thing that we have going on. Now my bike is right here. We get some new stickers that we're gonna put on from the tire. We take off them green thing there and put on the fluorescent yellow sticker on it. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video, of course. So peace.